Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox randomly disconnecting. Running slow. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox running slow, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this page, you will enter to a Roblox app. When you'll find it here, you will enter. Then you will find this window of force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.